Are you looking for the best chainsaw chains? In this video we will look at some of the best chainsaw chains. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Oregon S62 AdvanceCut 18-inch Chainsaw. Oregon is a highly popular brand that is mainly known for making chainsaws. And as you would expect, it also makes chain replacements for its chainsaws like the option present here. The Oregon S62 AdvanceCut chain is present in the first position in this article as it is the largest option present in this article. It has a chain length of 18 inches that is quite long. And it also offers a standard chain pitch of 3/8 inch, which is 0.325 inches. As a result, it can be a great option if you are looking for low-profile chains for your chainsaw. While this is a single pack and comes with only a single chain replacement for your chainsaw, it has a very justified price tag. Despite its lower price tag, it offers precision cutting due to its heat-treated and hard chrome surface. Since Oregon is quite a popular brand, the semi-chisel chain for chainsaws is engineered for safety along with high performance and sharpness. Durable, low kickback, low vibration chain helps reduce user fatigue for increased periods of work. For all chainsaw brands that run 3/8 inch pitch, 0.050 inch, 1.3 mm gauge, 62 drive link chain. Fits these chainsaw models with an 18-inch bar, Atlas 56937, Craftsman Kex Xemen 4218, S185, Echo CS310, Ego CS1800, CS1804, Greenworks 20332, GCS 80420, GCS 80421, Husqvarna 240, 120 Mark II. Number 2. Husqvarna 531300439 18-inch pixel saw chain. Husqvarna is a popular brand of chainsaws that needs no introduction as it has been making gas chainsaws for a long time. And it also makes chain replacements for its chainsaws like the option featured here. This Husqvarna replacement chain comes in a 2-pack that makes it an excellent option for many users. Since it is made by Husqvarna, it is a bit on the expensive side. Thankfully, it offers a great build quality to the user that justifies the price tag. It offers a large 18-inch size due to which it is present in the third position in this article. You also get a chain pitch size of 0.325 inches in this chain, along with a chain gauge rating of 0.050 inches. As a result, it can be used with a lot of chainsaw models. It can even work with some chainsaw models that are not made by Husqvarna. Number 3. SUNGATOR 16-inch chainsaw chain. SUNGATOR is a lesser-known brand of tools and equipment related to chainsaws. And it also makes various replacement chain models including the one we have mentioned here in this article. The SUNGATOR chainsaw chain is the cheapest option present in this article if you are considering a single pack. And even then, it is a great option for various chainsaw models. As per its name, it is compatible with various chainsaw brands. You can use it with Remington, Homelite, Greenworks, Echo, Poulan, and various other chainsaw models. This chainsaw replacement chain has a length of 16 inches along with a chain pitch size of 3/8 inch. As a result, it is a great low-profile chain option. This 56 drive link chain has a gauge rating of 0.050 inch that is quite common when compared with other options present in this article. Parameters: 16 inch, 0.050 inch gauge, 3/8 LP pitch, 56 drive links. The same saw can be equipped with different bar lengths. Please verify your parameters to ensure this chain works with your machine. Besides the models mentioned here, there are other models fit for this chain. If you have any problems or concerns about the compatible machines, please feel free to contact us. Number 4. ARPro chainsaw chain. ARPro is a popular brand that manufactures a wide range of products including tires and inner tubes, automotive parts, patio, pool and outdoor equipment, arts and crafts, and home and kitchen products. One of the main features of this chain is its wide compatibility. The chain features a universal fit design that makes it compatible with all 14-inch chainsaws including Craftsman, Oregon, Husqvarna, Homelite, and Echo. This 14-inch chain is made of carbon steel that helps you to achieve precision cutting. While many chains cause vibrations while cutting trees, you won't face that problem with this one. Even when you are cutting hardwood, you will only experience low vibrations. The carbon steel is chrome-plated and heat-treated not just to make them sharp but also strong and durable. The chain won't lose its sharpness for a long time and will produce smooth and clear cuts. On top of this, the chain comes with hardened rivets to bear the load. AdvanceCut's chain is designed for easy adjustments and repairs with little downtime. No job is too big. Have a field of trees to clear? No problem, down trees from a major storm? You got this. Our chainsaw chains are designed for little downtime, meaning less time needed for repairs or adjustments. Where resistant rivets, adding strength to the job, are the hardened rivets, which bears the load and stays strong. Number 5. Replacement Oregon chain. As you would expect by now, Oregon makes a lot of replacement chain options for chainsaw models by Oregon as well as other brands. And this one is mainly made for electric chainsaws instead of gas-powered ones. Oregon's 9056 chainsaw chain has a 16-inch chain length as per its name. And as mentioned earlier, it works with electric chainsaw-like options from DeWalt. Just like other chains for gas-powered chainsaws, this one also has a chain pitch of 3/8 inch. As for its gauge rating, it is a 0.043-inch gauge replacement chain. Since this chainsaw chain is made by Oregon, it offers a great build quality. The LubroLink tie straps keep the oil in all important places on the chain. As a result, your chain stays properly lubricated for offering a clean and sharp cut. You also get lesser vibrations from your chainsaw while using this chain for cutting trees. Includes 1 N594321 cutting chain. New, bulk packed. Genuine OEM DeWalt replacement part. Consult owner's manual for proper part number identification and proper installation. Please refer to list for compatibility.